If you're wondering how to use your Dyson hairdryer, it's really straightforward. We have 4 buttons here. This is on and off, so when we slide it up, it comes on, and when we slide it down, it goes off. This button allows cold air to come through, so even if you've got it on a hot setting here, when you press this, it will be the same as having no setting on here, so just cold air. This button here will be for speed, so we have 3 settings on speed, and this is your heat button. We have 4 settings on that. So I'm going to turn it on and show you these buttons. That's full. That's medium, that's low, medium, full. So it just cycles through, and this one here is the heat. Right now we're on full, there we're on medium, there we're on low, and there we have no heat. If we leave it on one of these ones here, like 2, 3 or 1, and press this, it will be the same as no heat. And that's it, really, really straightforward. Thanks for watching.